Hi, my name is Sanjay Nandi. My register number is 015CS141, and this is my sixth experiment in Java lab. And my experiment is on interfaces. And this is the questions, and the fifth one is the question which is allotted to me. So this is the question. So the question is to create an interface called shape, which contains function to find the area and perimeter, creates square, rectangle, triangle, and circle classes which implement this interface, the interface shape. So these three classes should implement to the interface shape, and I have to create a test class which contains a menu-driven program to calculate the area and perimeter of the various shapes. So I have made this program. So here the program is. So here I have created the interface. The interface is shape as it was given in the question, and I have given two functions, area and perimeter. So I have created four classes: square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. So the first in square classes, here I have taken the functions. I have implemented the interface shape, and I have created the functions area and perimeter. So here, as we know, the area of the square is side into side. So the square of the side. So here I will side, take the measurement of the side from the user who will give the input. So here, and after that I will calculate the area, and similarly for the perimeter of the square is 4 into the side of the given square. So the side will be given by the user. Similarly for the rectangle, I'm implementing to the shape interface, and I'm taking the both the functions which are there in the interface shape, that is area and perimeter. So here I am taking two uh, input from the user, that is length and height. So for the we know the area of rectangle is length into height, so it will be L into H, and it will print the area of the rectangle. Similarly for the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus H, so it will calculate the perimeter and area of the rectangle as per the formulas which I have given in this program, and it will print it. Similarly for the triangles, the area of triangle is half base into height. So here I have given area means given the value of half, that is 0.5, and I have given b into h. So as the answer will come in double or in float, because I have given 0.5. So I have converted this into integer, that is giving this int inside the bracket. It will convert the double or float value into integer. Similarly I have given the perimeter of triangle. So the perimeter of triangle is the sum of the all the three sides of the triangle. So similarly, I have given d plus b plus c. I have taken random variables and I have added that. And here for the last classes, that is circle, I have implemented it to the shape interface, and I have taken the area and perimeter. So for the area of circle is pi r cube, pi r square. So the pi r square. So here for the value of pi, I have given 3.14, and r I have multiplied twice. So it will show the area, and similarly for the perimeter 2 pi r, it will give 2 into 3.1.4 into r. So similarly both these values, the area and perimeter, will give a double or float value. So I've converted this double or float value into integer by giving this int before the values. So as it was given to create a menu driven test class, so I've given a menu driven test class where I will give the user to choose either square, rectangle, triangle, or circle of which you want to check the area and perimeter of that shape. So similarly, I have created the switch class. So inside that, the as per the given input of the user, either he can choose one by square by giving one, or he can choose rectangle by giving two. Similarly, for triangle and circle, he will give three and four. So the n will take the input, and it will give it to the switch. So here the switch, if it's give 1, then it will come here to the case 1. So it will to the uh, directly come to this square class as, and it will find it, and here it will print the area and perimeter. Similarly, I have done case 2 and case 3 for both. And case for here I have given the default. If the user gives any other than the choice, then it will show invalid entry. So here I will run it. Okay. So here the first one we are checking it, that is square. It's asking enter the length of the side of the square. So I'm giving this random value of the length, that is 5. So here it shows the area is 25 and perimeter is 20. As we know, the side of area of the square is side into side, so 5 into 5 is 25, and area perimeter of square is 4 into 5, that is uh, 4 into side, that is 4 into 5, that is 20. Similarly, we'll check for rectangle, triangle, and circle. So for rectangle, we are giving, so we have to give the length and breadth. I'm giving 4 and 5. So it's saying area 20 and perimeter 18. Similarly, as per the formula, it's giving the answer of area and perimeter. So we'll check for the triangle now. So we have to give the base and the height. So I'm giving base 4 and height 5. So it shows area equal to 10. And asking the side of the triangles. Because for finding the perimeter of a triangle, we have to give the three sides of the triangle. So I'm giving the three sides. I'm giving 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. So here the perimeter is 6. It will add the three sides of the triangle and it will give the perimeter. So now for the last class, that is last shape circle, we are doing it. So here it's asking the radius of the circle. So I'm giving any random number, that is 5. So here it shows 78 and 31 because it will calculate it. So as we know, the area of circle is pi r square. So 3.14 into 5 into 5 it will do, and it will calculate it into 78. So it will not give it in a double or float value. So it will convert it into the integer value, and it will give it. So this is how to do interface. This is how to make classes implementing an interface. Thank you.